Today our topic is General Knowledge Bits Part 4. Please do subscribe my YouTube channel, like and share my videos. A radioactive substance emits. Options are A. Alpha particle, B. Beta particles, C. Gamma particles, D. All of the three. The correct option is D. All of the three. Radioactive substances are continuously producing three kinds of dangerous radiation: alpha particles, beta particles, and gamma rays. These types of radiation are invisible to the naked eye, and so you won't see a green glow. Electrostatic precipitator is used to control A. Air pollution, B. Water pollution, C. Solid waste, D. Noise pollution. The correct option is A. Air pollution. An electrostatic precipitator is a filtration device that removes the fine particles like dust and smoke from a flowing gas using the force of an induced electrostatic charge, minimally impeding to flow of gases through the unit. SI unit of luminous intensity is. The options are A. Lumen, B. Lux, C. Candela, D. Watt. The correct option is C. Candela. Luminous intensity is a measure of the wavelength weighted power emitted by a light source in a particular direction per unit solid angle. The SI unit of luminous intensity is the candela. The change of a solid into vapor directly is called. The options are A. Vaporization, B. Freezing, C. Melting, D. Sublimation. The correct option is option D. Sublimation. Sublimation is the transition of a substance directly from the solid to the gas phase without passing through the intermediate liquid phase. Which of the following gaseous fuels has the lowest calorific value? The correct option is option D. Blast furnace gas. Blast furnace gas is a byproduct of blast furnaces that is generated when the iron ore is reduced with coke to metallic iron. It has a very low heating value. It consists of about 60% nitrogen and 18 to 20% carbon dioxide, which are not flammable. Which of the following fuels causes minimum environmental pollution? A. Diesel, B. Kerosene, C. Hydrogen, D. Coal. The correct option is C. Hydrogen. Hydrogen causes minimum environmental pollution. Hydrogen is the chemical element with atomic number 1. It is represented by the symbol H with an average atomic weight of 1.00794 units. Hydrogen is the lightest and most abundant chemical element, consisting roughly 75% of the universe's chemical elemental mass. Stars in the main sequences are mainly composed of hydrogen in its plasma state. Naturally occurring elemental hydrogen is relatively rare on Earth. Which of the following folk dances is associated with Rajasthan? The options are A. Roof, B. Jora, C. Veedi, D. Susini. The correct option is option D. Susini. Susini folk dances is associated with Rajasthan. Rajasthan is associated many dances as like Gomar, Chakri, Gangor, Jolan Leela, Juma, Susini, Gopal, Panihari, Ginad. Who wrote the book The Paradoxical Prime Minister? The options are Arundhati Bhattacharya, B. K.R. Kamath, C. Shashi Tharoor, D. Venkaya Naidu. The option C is correct one, C. Shashi Tharoor. The Paradoxical Prime Minister Narendra Modi and His India is a 2018 non-fiction book. It is written by Shashi Tharoor, a senior leader of the Indian National Congress. This book examines and questions the tenure of the Modi government. With whom Jesuit Saint Francisco Xavier arrived India to spread Christianity? The options are A. Sir Thomas Ray, B. Fort St. George, C. Martin Afonso de Souza, D. None of the above. The correct option is C. Martin Afonso de Souza. With Martin Afonso de Souza, Jesuit Saint Francis Xavier arrived India to spread Christianity. When did Prithviraj Chauhan ascended the throne? The options are A. AD 11975, option B. AD 1178, option C. AD 1191, option D. AD 1165, option B. AD 1178. Prithviraj Chauhan ascended the throne in AD 1178. He challenged and defeated Muhammad Ghori in the first battle of Tehran. But in the following year, Prithviraj was defeated by Ghori in the second battle of the Tehran in AD 1192. Coliform count in drinking water is done to ascertain. The options are A. Amount of suspended impurities, B. Effect of chlorination, C. Fecal contamination, D. Hardness. The correct option is C. Fecal contamination. Coliforms are a group of bacteria found in the environment, in soil or vegetation, as well as the intestines of mammals, including humans. Coliform count in drinking water indicates that your water supply may be vulnerable to contamination by more harmful microorganisms. The presence of fecal coliform in a drinking water sample often indicates recent fecal contamination. Wellington Island is located in which Indian state? The options are A. Madhya Pradesh, B. Tamil Nadu, C. Kerala, D. Karnataka. The option C is correct answer, C. Kerala. Wellington Island is located in Kochi, Kerala. The Wellington Island is one of the largest artificial man-made islands in India. This island is named after Viceroy Lord Wellington. This island was created by the Sir Robert Bristow. He was an engineer. If you like the video, please do subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you.